Got 2 propane tanks, 1 on each side. What does that say? 25 pound? Sorry, my video skills are not that great. Place to hang a TV with outdoor speakers. Power outside. Easily foldable steps. Automatic leveling system. Good tires. You got a slide here, that's the dinette, and a slide there that holds the outdoor kitchen. It has a sink, a refrigerator, storage above. It's been under the awning the whole time, unless we took it out. There's that. Whisper Quiet AC. This is a fan that opens up above the kitchen cook area. It has a rain sensor on it, so if it starts raining, it closes automatically. Here is storage in the kitchen area. Lots of storage, and it's deep. So it's not that storage you can't even put a plate in. There's 4. It's a long bar here. We used it for a coffee bar. More storage underneath here, and again, it's deep enough that you can actually utilize it. Storage here, fuse box. More storage here, and it's very deep. We installed this new refrigerator. Residential. Large. It has 2 separate freezer areas down here. You can keep one colder than the other if you like. Perfect for frosty beer mugs. This refrigerator has these cords that hold the door closed. If we was on especially rough roads, we would use a stronger one. You have a Furion microwave. It's been very, very useful. It has a stove. Gas burners on top, 3. Nice window here if you need to look out while you're cooking. There's a fan underneath here as well, and a surface light. There's power here. A little storage area here that we use for spices. We got an oven big enough to actually use. Storage underneath for pots and pans. These drawers are large and deep enough that they hold plenty. There's 3 of them beside the stove. And you have a large island over here with a stainless steel sink. No water in it right now. And then underneath here, there's an area for a 10-gallon trash can and 2 shelves. More storage. You have a nice big pantry, and it too is deeper and bigger than it looks on this video. Little cubby. More storage. This is the cameras that I had installed after I bought it. There's one on the right, one on the left, and one in the rear that Bluetooths to a screen in your car. Seating for 2 here. Seating for 4 easily here. And you could expand that for probably at least 1 more. Nice windows all the way around the dining area. These have buckles for when you're traveling that strap them down. This is a fireplace. I actually have a little ding in it right there. I stuck a flower in it. We can repair it. My husband suggested putting fake speakers there. And this is more storage. These are big enough for large backpacks. I stored coffee pots, blankets, sometimes people's small suitcases or backpacks. More storage. More storage. It's got a Roku smart TV. This thing puts music all through the camper. I'm not going to turn it on because then my video won't upload for copyright infringement. This is a fireplace. You can change the colors. It puts out heat. And you can also turn the heat off so it's more just for show. But it is actually a really good heater. There's USB ports ×2, plug-ins ×2. Another window. These are Roman shades that go up and down very easily. We changed all the light bulbs out to LED lighting so it wouldn't be hot. More lights up here. More storage, storage, storage. This is a queen size sleeper sofa. You just pull these cushions off and then this just pulls out. It's very easy to do. Another large window, windows everywhere. This is a massage chair. Also has lights. Lights up underneath as well. So when you're watching TV at night, you can light it up. Cup holders. Place for all your remotes. They are recliners. My grandkids open these up and sleep here at times, the little ones, while 2 or 3 of them sleeping on here. As you can tell, you can barely hear the air conditioning. Much quieter than the other ones I had. The ceiling fan does work. I always keep an extra chair. I have a lot of kids. You can't tell, but this is also a nightlight. At night, when kids stay, I leave that on. That way they can see and hear. Again, this is the kitchen. And the bar. Island, dining. It goes into the living room. In case I missed anything the first time. And then I left my massage on. Three steps up. This is your control panel. Ceiling fan. Wind guard antenna. This is for a generator if you had one on board. Shows how much battery you have fresh water, black water, gray water. And there's a galley sink out in the outdoor kitchen. Water heaters, tank heaters, water pump, outdoor lights. Another window, some extra hooks. This goes into the bathroom. The storage up here. Dometic. This tub is big enough for small children or animals to be bathed in. Has a shower, has a skylight here. I have that covered as well. The shower shuts off and on. And then it has a medicine cabinet we added for extra storage. Little stainless steel sink. Under the sink storage. Little side storage. This one also has a vent that opens and closes for exhaust while you're in the restroom. This goes into the bedroom. This is a king size bed. Another Dometic Quiet AC. There's plugs there. My friends tell me this is big enough for the newer CPAPs if you need one. There's two USB ports here. It has like a 10-inch memory foam, brand new mattress, and it's been covered up with waterproof. This is the AC unit that's in here. It has 2 drawers here and then 2 drawers over here. There's a TCL Roku TV put in. Extra storage. There's under the bed storage as well. This may not look like much room, but I ain't tiny and I can get in and out without a problem. And then there's washer dryer hookups. I never use a washer dryer camping, so we never bought one. These doors lock down with those little deals. This one also has USB plugs. Windows on both sides of the bed. Another large closet. This is on a slide. Easy to make the bed. You don't have to struggle trying to get up against the wall. I've had that problem with other campers. Here's your under the bed storage. It's not huge, but it's big enough that we put fishing poles and noodles and things like that underneath there for swimming. It's probably 6 inches deep. And as wide and almost as long as the bed is. The bedroom door is a barn door. It's lockable. So your room is separate and it's pretty quiet back here. There's a king jack antenna, which is what we use, and we've never had any problem getting stations at all. The view from the stairs. Usually it's just been me and my husband. Occasionally we'll have other people along with us. Hadn't actually been on very many trips, unfortunately.